All right, ladies and gentlemen, Craig here again, howtopest.com. I don't always use ant bait, but when I do, Advance Granular Carpenter Ant Bait. Okay, guys, let's talk the difference between Advance 375 and the Advance Granular Carpenter Ant Bait. It's the same makeup in the formula. This is geared more towards those carpenter ants with those bigger mandibles. So how do you apply this stuff? You apply it indoors, you apply it outdoors? Yes. Indoors, crack and crevice treatment, voids. If you need to get it indoors, try to follow that ant trail back to where it is. Get into that void. If you need to make that void a little bigger, make it bigger. 1 to 5 teaspoons into there and you're good to go. It just depends on how big of a infestation you're dealing with. Keep it out of the water. This stuff needs to remain dry. How does this work? I'm going to tell you right now. This is a slow action formula. So what it does, the ants consume this, the worker ants, take it back. It's a slow action release insecticide, so it's allowing them to get back to that nest, share it. Once they eat this, the workers start to die off and the egg production dies off, which in essence eliminates the colony. So it takes a little bit of time, but a beautiful bait because you're not just wiping out what you see, you're getting that whole colony all the way up to the queen. So outdoor use around a home, you're gonna sprinkle this lightly, 1 to 2 feet in distance from the wall itself, light sprinkles. It will tell you on the label how many ounces per area of square feet or linear feet that you are doing. So just follow the label and put it out that way. As far as the colonies, I believe, don't quote me, read the label, 1.5 to 3 ounces of this directly on a mound or a colony itself. That's your best treatment if you can get there. Other than that, any other treatments, guys, keep it out of water, like I said, and just lightly sprinkle it. If you're going to broadcast it, you can, but you need to follow the label on how to do it per acre. You can do it. This is a shaker bottle. When you remove this lid, it's going to have like salt and pepper little holes on there, allowing you to shake this up and put it out like we just discussed. If you need to put it into a puffer duster, a bulb duster, do so. It's great to reach back into those voids and puff this stuff in there. Once again, Advance Granular Carpenter Ant Bait. This is a great product, guys. If you have any questions, just reach out to me or howtopest.com. Thanks, guys.